This is Mary. I'm here at BISH'S RV. I'd like to show you this Navion. It is a 24V. It's a Winnebago. It has everything. This is beautiful, and it's only 24 feet long. So this is around the size of a lot of B vans, but you've got so much more space in here. Before we go inside, let's look and see all the storage that we have here. This is a really nice pass-through right here. You've got extra storage here for wet things. You can rinse that out really easily. You do have an LP generator, which is a little bit quieter than gas. And then another storage area right here. So you've got a lot of storage on the outside. If you do find this video helpful, please give it a like. So let's look inside. Plus, look at that. How cute is that? And then the screen right here. Keep the bugs out. And as we come inside here, all of this space up here is just beautiful. These windows are adorable. You should get the other one too. How cute is that? Little trees. Then you have this space here with a table that rotates. These are reclining chairs, so you've got a really comfortable view. The TV is right in front of you. Stainless steel sink here. Then you've got your induction cooktop and a gas burner too. Microwave up above, and this is a sound bar, which is really nice. A nice feature there. Lots of space as we go back into the area here, but you've got a really big refrigerator. You can go for a long time in this one. And here we are in the bathroom. There is a little sink right here. There is actually storage under here as well. Medicine cabinet, and then a full shower. This is really nice. You have so much space in here. And then as we come out here, you can see that this bed will move into a full sleeping area, or you can keep it open and have this as two twin-sized beds. So this feature under here helps prevent a lot of moisture from getting in the bedroom area, so that keeps it actually very comfortable too. You do have storage all the way around, and there is a TV right here that swivels. So this is a great unit. If you'd like to come out and look at this, it's amazing. You could go for a really long time with your kids up there. Give me a call. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. Thanks.